Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to be sharing some little known tips and tricks to help you become an iPhone Pro when it comes to screenshotting your phone. Whether you're an avid iPhone user or a beginner, I'm sure you will find some mind-blowing hack in this video that will make your life easier. Tips number 1. How to take a screenshot on iPhone. First thing first, let's start with the basic. To take a screenshot on your iPhone, especially for you who has iPhone 10 or newer version, just simply press the side button and also the volume up button at the same time. When you press the side button and the volume up button at the same time, you will hear a camera shutter sound on your phone and see a flash on your screen, which means the screenshot has been already taken. The screenshot will be saved in your photo apps. Open your photo apps and then you can scroll down and see the album of screenshot here. Just tap on this, the screenshot will be saved here. Tips number 2. Edit your screenshot. Did you know that you can edit your screenshot right after you take them? When you take a screenshot, then you can tap on the preview that pop-ups in the bottom left corner here. Then from here, you can crop the image, draw on it, adding text, and many more. This is a great way to highlight a particular area of the screenshot or add annotations. Tips number 3. Take full page screenshot. Do you want to capture an entire web page in one screenshot? You can do that on your iPhone by taking a full page screenshot. To do this, take a regular screenshot. For example, I'm open the website here. Then I'm doing regular screenshot by press the side button and volume up button at the same time. And then tap on the preview in the bottom left corner. From there, you can tap on full page option at the top. After you tap full page, your iPhone will be automatically capture the entire page, which you can then crop or edit as needed. Tips number 4. You can use assistive touch for one-handed screenshotting. If you have a larger iPhone and find it difficult to take a screenshot with one hand, you can enable assistive touch to make it easier. How to do this? Go to the setting on your iPhone and then tap on accessibility. After that, you can tap on again on touch here. You can see at the top option, we can see assistive touch. Just tap on this and then toggle it on. Then you can go to custom action by customize top level menu. When you tap on this, we don't have a screenshot function yet. To add the screenshot menu or function, you can tap on the plus icon here and then tap plus again. Then you can scroll down and look for screenshot here. Tap on screenshot and then tap done. Then you can see we have a new menu named screenshot. If you want to screenshot using assistive touch, just simply tap on assistive touch here and then tap on screenshot menu and it will be screenshotting your iPhone screen. Tips number 5. Use Siri to take screenshot. Besides using assistive touch or maybe pressing the side button and volume up button, you can also use Siri to take a screenshot. Just simply activate your Siri. After you already activate your Siri, just say take a screenshot and Siri will take a screenshot of whatever is currently on your screen. For example, I'm activate Siri. Take a screenshot. As you can see, Siri will screenshotting based your command. This is a great option if you have difficulty pressing physical button or if you just want to use voice commands to take a screenshot. And there you have it. Some little known tips and tricks to help you become an iPhone screenshotting pro. We hope you found this tip helpful and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you have any other tips or tricks for screenshotting on an iPhone, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!